Today, we're taking a quick look at a fascinating collaboration. The Praesidus X, the Watch Observer, A-11, Type 44 Limited Edition. It's a rugged, vintage-inspired military watch with a true story behind it. Praesidus was founded by two French enthusiasts in the US to revive legendary World War II military watches. This latest model pays tribute to the U.S. Air Force's 533rd Bomb Squadron, created with historian Gregory Ponce and our friends at the Watch Observer. Faithful to the original but sized for today, the Type 44 features a 38mm polished stainless steel case, fluted bezel, and a vintage double-domed acrylic crystal. Water resistance is upgraded to 100 meters, and the oversized crown makes it easy to use in the field. The matte black dial keeps things clean and legible. Embossed numerals, stencil-style A-11 Type 44 marking, rhodium-plated sword hands, and old radium superluminova all echo the wartime aesthetic, while improving night readability. Under the solid back, you'll find the hand-wound Landeran 21 movement with stop seconds and a 36-hour power reserve. Each case back is engraved with the 533rd Bomb Squadron patch and the individual watch number. Delivered with a historic-style Bonclip steel bracelet and a khaki canvas strap, the A-11 Type 44 Limited Edition is priced at €695, 675 US dollars, and limited to just 250 pieces. Pre-orders are now open on Praesidus and the Watch Observer's websites.